Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 648. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Welcome back to another video in this series. Today is going to be a great day to buy some Bitcoin. If you don't know how to use Cash App, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and tap on the squiggly line in the tab bar. That's going to bring us to the investing section. We want to go to the Bitcoin tab. So we've got Bitcoin currently at 16,161. Let's go to a weekly view. You guys know I said if it breaks above 14,000, it's gonna absolutely rip. And that's what's going on here. You know, from 11,000 a month ago, came up right here, broke above 14,000 and it's ripping. And you know, there's no resistance between 14,000 and 20,000. 20,000 is going to be the previous top right here. So that's likely where we're heading, 20,000. And it's just been a wild ride so far. You know, I started this experiment around this zone and we're buying Bitcoin in the 3,000s all the way up. Crazy. So congratulations to everyone that's been involved in this experiment, doing this themselves as well. It's been a pretty crazy ride. So let's go ahead, scroll down here. We'll check if there's any news today. Not really, nothing that looks that important. So Bitcoin owned, I have 0.0804. You guys can see that I've been purchasing $7 there every Friday to average this thing out as $1 every day. So let's go ahead and tap buy. Tap the three dots, type 7. Tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. There's a 3% fee, but it's no big deal. Tap confirm. And just like that, we've purchased today's Bitcoin. Let's tap done. Scroll down here. So we're now at 0.0809. So adding a little bit to our balance there, slowly growing. Remember, as the price of Bitcoin goes up, when we buy $7, we're getting a little bit less than we were before, you know. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. I have $1,305. 1,305 divided by 648 days equals a 2.01x on our investment. So it's official, we have doubled our money on this. And what that means is for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $2.01. So pretty cool to see that we've doubled our money on this. It's going really well. This chart makes it look like we've reached higher than the previous high, but we haven't. You know, the previous high is around $20,000. But there you have it for today's update. Just gonna keep dollar cost averaging, buying $1 every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.